Hey y'all, welcome back. Mark and I, we are walking into my very first visit here in Disneyland.
Disneyland Resort.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever been into Disneyland. The last video we just were at California Adventure. This is our first time, or my first time I should say, here at his home park of Disneyland. Anyway, y'all, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm already getting burnt. The sun is blazing today. It is Sunday, August the 6th of the time of this recording. Anyway, y'all, are we ready?
Let's look at his pass. Hold on. Wait.
He's pulling my pass up. I got one. I don't know if you can see it or not. It is there.
Here we go.
First time. Let's go. Come on. Have fun.
That's for him?
Okay.
First timer ever.
Guy.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. My first time at Walt Disney's Disneyland. I cannot wait. Oh my gosh. It feels so surreal just walking on this ground already.
Super shy.
Hey Marcus. There you go. Welcome to Main Street, USA, Mark just told me. I'm telling you what, first time walking in here and I am already so excited. Can't wait to be here.
This is where it all started. Walt actually walked in this park. That is his apartment right over there. He actually stayed here overnight.
On behalf of everyone at Disneyland, thank you for joining us for this patriotic ceremony. May you enjoy the rest of your day at the Disneyland Resort, a magical place where dreams come true.
So y'all, I'm with my friend Marcus, you know, and he's traveling jumpseater #1. Anyway, his family is here, and his son is just precious as can be, loves the band, and Allie is a cast member, and I mentioned to Allie they've never met. I don't know the full story, but anyway, Isaiah absolutely loves Miss Tate, who is the conductor, and she's been on YouTube as a trumpeter. Anyway, so they just got to see each other again, and he was just so happy. I'm telling you what, so cute. I love it. Disneyland already. You're stealing my heart. Thank you. All right, y'all. It's time to go do some more things. Thank you again.
Oh, of course. stop doing that.
That would be so cool. Yay!
First instruments.
Everyone gets to do that.
I'd see anybody take.
Yeah, always.
See you guys later.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Woo! Your sticker!
Okay.
He said food, I agree. Aww.
There it is, that little tiny thing. Yeah, compared to Disney World.
This is my first time seeing Sleeping Beauty's castle.
There you go.
Anyway, I gotta go. I'm right in the middle of Main Street, USA, here in Disneyland. I'm having a great time. Just getting here, I'm loving it. Absolutely loving it. Look at this right behind me. I got a trolley coming. I love it. So we just got done having dinner and delicious, absolutely delicious. But it is so hot out here right now. That sun is beating down on me. Anyway, we're headed into Adventureland. We're gonna ride Pirates of the Caribbean, possibly. We're gonna ride a few other rides to experience Disneyland, but I am tired, I tell you what. That's the worst part about being a flight attendant. You come everywhere, you're so excited to get going, and you get tired quickly. So, look at this, an enchanted tiki room.
Alright, get out.
I've seen those before. Hey y'all, so the time is come. I am tired. I am exhausted. I'm having a great time here at Disneyland here in California. I'm with Mark and his family having a great time. Right behind me is what they say is a castle, but it's really small. I believe them, but Sleeping Beauty has awoken and I got a duck flying above.
They're all right there.
The Disney ducks are great. All right, y'all, this is my very first churro in my whole life. Some of my favorite people have told me if I'm gonna have a churro, I need to do it here at Disneyland. So I am finally here at Disneyland with my first churro. And she is yelling right now, and I can try to do this, but something's going on at whatever time she said, and I don't know, but I'm gonna, fireworks at 9:30, but the churro is right now. Let's try it. It's sugary.
Is it everything you dreamed it was going to be?
No. It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Pretty much.
Alright, I had it. First bite was good. It's not what I thought, but I'm going in for a second. Anyway, bye y'all. Have fun. Alright y'all, so here at Disneyland, my time has come to an end. I am beat. I am exhausted. We have been here all day long, and my sunburn is starting to hurt. In front of, or behind me, I should say, is Sleeping Beauty's castle, and she's not as big as Cinderella's castle, but she's mighty. All right, I had a great time. Marcus, such a pleasure being with you once again. I'm telling you, this has got to continue on. Pass holder?
Guess who's going to become a pass holder?
Most likely. It's probably going to happen. I had an amazing time. The night's not over, but for this video, it is. So, if you like this video and others like it, hit that subscribe button. Click that bell for future notifications. We're having a great time making these videos, and we cannot wait to bring you along with us. And in the meantime, we'll see you later, okay?
Now it's time to say goodbye
Yep.
to all our company. M-I-C
See you real soon.
K-E-Y
Right? Because we like you.
M-O-U-S-C.
That's where we are. All right, we'll see you later, okay? Bye.
coming.
6, 2, 6. 6, 2, 6. What? Say it backwards. Nice. Now serve till the sun sets. Jump over. Great job. Let's roll it out. Here we go. Go up and down. We go up and down. Up. All right. Instead of riding a roller coaster, we're gonna ride a paddleboard. Take your board out. Whoop. Where'd that come from? Put it on the water. Now try for stairs. Amazing. Say toodaloo. Now here's the deal. Stitch has invited all of his friends to join us at the dance party. So even though Stitch is leaving, we have more friends coming right now. And I need your tossing down here at Tomorrowland. We have Groovy. Look at that. And of course, make some noise for Pluto. Yeah, okay, all right. I got you. Can everybody say hello?